Hello and welcome to another action-packed edition of...
Well, here's the beer cooler. Yeah, it's warm. No cooling whatsoever. Nothing on the discharge line. I've only hooked up the high side so far, and it's totally flat. The compressor's running, so I don't think I'm going to even bother to hook up the low side with it running. So now that it's off, in a vacuum. That's in a vacuum as well. I'm only able to put like 25 psi in this thing because the temperature of this tank. Tension gauge is critical. How much pressure will you put into a 134 system to find a leak? So I've pulled the condensing unit out and I've stripped the insulation off the line set. This is the insulation and that's oil. It's leaking that slow at 325 psi. This pinhole is so small that sanding the pipe made it stop leaking. Look right there, see? Absolutely minuscule. So now that's on vacuum. Put all this crap back. So it's running. It's way undercharged for now. This is where I've got it so far. This kind of acts like it has a weak compressor. So I've got to try and rule that out. So I've added a little. Okay. Listen. Hear it? Of course, sounds like it's barely feeding. That's the sound of flash gas. Anyway, it's kind of cooling, but not much. Chill for a while. Well, it's been 45 minutes or something. Flux pressure's fallen a little bit. And it's pretty stable. It's cooling, not as designed. It's got more in it than it really should. I took some out. That's where it is. I'm gonna leave it like this for a while and see what happens.